Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today I'll guide you, step by step, through how to make an international transfer to a BBVA Mexico account. Following the right process ensures your money arrives quickly and safely. Let's get started. Step 1. Collect recipient details. Ask the beneficiary for their full legal name as shown on the account, their 18-digit CLAB, the standard bank account number in Mexico, the bank name, BBVA Mexico, and the SWIFT/BIC code. The general SWIFT code for BBVA Mexico is BCMRMXMMPYM, but always confirm with the recipient's bank branch to avoid mistakes. Step 2. Log into your bank's international transfer service. On your Windows PC, open your online banking platform and go to International Transfers or Wire Transfers. Step 3. Enter payment details. Fill in the beneficiary's name, CLAB number, and the BBVA Mexico SWIFT/BIC code. For currency, choose MXN, Mexican pesos, if the recipient holds a peso account, or USD if agreed with the recipient. Add a clear payment reference like invoice payment or family support. Step 4. Review costs and timing. Your bank may charge a sending fee, and intermediary banks can deduct additional charges. Also, if you send in a currency different from pesos, BBVA Mexico may convert it, so confirm exchange rates and fees before sending. Step 5. Confirm and track. Submit the transfer and save the confirmation number or receipt. Share it with the recipient so they can trace the payment with BBVA Mexico if needed. International transfers usually take between 1 and 3 business days. Quick tip: always double-check the CLAB and SWIFT codes. Even a single wrong digit can delay or bounce your transfer. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.